It's common for embedded system software to be state-intensive rather than flow control intensive. State-intensive systems should be designed with a formalism other than flowcharts. When you need to do detailed design of state-intensive behaviors, use a state chart. State-intensive behaviors include different operating modes, such as start, stop, run, or inputs that drive sequences of events over time. A state chart is a software implementation of a finite state machine. We'll get into details in a bit, but the figure in the upper right is a simplified state chart that has different operational modes. In a state chart, the system is in one state, one bubble at a time, and moves between bubbles. You can see here that the standby state is currently active, denoted by the color yellow. Then the system transitions on an arc to the engaged state, then transitions on a different arc to the run state. Anti-patterns for state-intensive systems include that there is no detailed design, just the code. As we'll see, implementing state-intensive systems using the wrong coding style can get really messy. Another anti-pattern is deeply nested if statements instead of switch statements for stateful code. The third anti-pattern is mixing mode change logic with normal output sequences.